Hello, in this video I will show you very briefly the XR device simulator. So in case if you do a VR scene but you don't have your headset with you, what you can do is to use a simulator who will simulate the headset. So let's open Unity. Okay, so here I have an empty scene and I have a XR origin rig. Okay, so it's OpenXR. So it means it's not just for a specific device. It will work on most of the device of the market. So if I play, you will see that, of course, nothing is happening because I don't have my headset. So perhaps I could just create a very simple object just to be sure that the camera is at the good position. Okay, I will put that here in front of my point of view. Okay, perhaps I will put it here. Okay, so I just play again. So if you have your headset with link, MetaLink, you will of course see that in your headset and you will be able to test with the controller. But in my case, today I don't have. So what I can do, I can go in Edit, Project Settings, and again, I work with OpenXR. So if you go to the XR plugin management, I don't tell you how to install it. It's in another video. There is somewhere XR Interaction Toolkit. And here you can click on Use XR Interaction Simulator in Scenes. So what's happening is now in all my scene, when I click the play button, I will see this simulator. So I show you what it is. Yeah, so now I have my scene with a two controller, and you see if I move my mouse, I will be able to rotate the camera. And here you will be able then to simulate your controller. So you see here on this part, you have here MHD that is blue. It means that when you move the mouse, it's like you move your headset. But me usually, I have to tell you, I use it very rarely because it's not very convenient to work with that. But sometimes, yeah, when you forget your headset, could be very helpful. So here, what I will do, I will use Y to toggle between headset and the controller. So here, yeah. So now I move my controller, okay? And usually it's what I use. So here you see when I use the controller, here I am controlling the movement. So I can control the look, cursor lock, rotate, but I will use the movement. And for that, you see there is this, there's these four keys. It's like when you play a video game, W, S, A, D. And these four keys will move the joystick in this different direction. So here, if I use W, you will see it will move the controller forward. And when I let the key go, I have my teleportation, okay? So here I use W, I decide where I want to be teleported, and I let it go. After, I can use A to watch to the left, okay? Or D to watch to the right, S to watch back, okay? And here again, W to teleport. Okay, so it's a very cool tool. You can use it, for example, to move inside your environment. You can explore the documentation, but what you can do, you can also grab the object, throw the object, do what you want, click on a button, okay? But the purpose is just to show you that this tool exists. So I will stop it. And you saw that this tool will always start from your XR origin, okay? The thing is, sometimes if you do that, the day that you have your headset, you wear it, and when you click on play, so you're connected with a link, when you click on play, what will happen, you will have your camera on the ground, and your headset will not work because the headset is controlled by this simulator. So this solution to change the project setting is not good from my point of view. So I will turn off, so I go back to project settings, XR Plugin Management, XR Interaction Toolkit, and I turn it off. So what you can do instead, you can find this simulator in the samples here. So if you have OpenXR with the samples, you open the XR Interaction Toolkit, you open your latest version of your package. So you open XR Device Simulator. Inside you have this asset. You just drag and drop here. And it will do exactly the same thing. So I just show you, I play. So here I have my headset. I will use Y, W, I can move. Okay, go back. Okay. But the thing is, when you wear your headset, you just turn this one off, and of course, it will use your headset. It will not bypass it, okay? So I always put this one and I turn it on and off, depending of if I have my headset or not. I will not go on the details, you can go online, but this is a pretty cool tool. So this is a XR device simulator, it's OpenXR. So it means it works for normally all the headsets that support OpenXR, including the Quest 3. Thank you.